Looking for a brand new TOP 3-bedroom unit with a breathtaking view and at a mature city fringe township? Hello everyone, I'm Irene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today we are here at Gem Residences in Payoh. This development comprises of 2 towers and a total of 578 units of 1 to 5 bedroom types. So, what's unique about Gem Residences? This is the first condo development in Singapore mature heartlands with the benefits of club lifestyle and 24/7 concierge services, which is usually made only available in high-end properties. What we are showing you today is a 1012 3-bedder, the one and only stack in this development with an unblocked view. Facilities available at Gem Residences include rooftop sports bar grill, sheltered pavilion for yoga and dance classes, 50-meter lap pool and a full suite of condo facilities. What is most interesting about this place is pet lovers, you will love it. There is even a pet pool, pet run and pet shower. Seriously, where do you even find this? Now let's go check out the unit. This premium 3-bedroom plus 2-bath layout comes with the flexibility to reconfigure the kitchen by the developer, and it has a 180-degree unblocked panoramic city view. For this unit, owner opted in a glass sliding door over a wall partition. Not only does it make the entrance walkway and kitchen bigger, it also lets in more natural light. This reconfig is definitely more functional for the home user than its original layout. Not only does this unit have one of the best city view, you get to enjoy good breeze with north-south orientation without any afternoon sun. With the full ceiling to floor windows in the bedrooms, you are assured of brightness throughout the day. We are all no strangers to Payoh. It is located in central region of Singapore and second oldest residential township. Fully equipped with the convenience of amenities and easy transport connectivity. It has a good blend of history and today's modern cafe hopping trails, which explains why it's so popular among home buyers and investors. Gem Residences is just 5 minutes walk to Braddell MRT station and less than 10 minutes to Payoh MRT interchange station, where you will find major banks, NTUC and plenty of eateries. At Gem Residences, we are also in close proximity to Payoh Public School, CHIJ and Marymount Convent. Hence, it will be a good choice for parents and family looking to upgrade their lifestyle yet within school zone. If you are looking for a brand new, immediate move-in condition with minimal renovation required in a well-accessible location near good school, this will check all your boxes for your next ideal home. For a private home tour and more information, do give us a call.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.